In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you the basics of using the VLOOKUP function in Excel. You can do amazing things that are useful with the VLOOKUP function. But in this video, we'll just talk about the basics of using the VLOOKUP function. This is a simple spreadsheet that we're going to use to create our VLOOKUP functions down here. So to just style it a little bit, let's highlight this table, then press Control and tap T. I'm just going to show you this create table. We want to create a table that looks nice here. When this is done, and this is our table, and so if you want to change the colors for this design, you can always come here and change how this looks like. I think the blue works well for me. The black. Okay, this is fine. Imagine this table had a lot of records of people, let's say 5,000 people in this table. You can use the VLOOKUP function to get details or records or data of a particular person in the table like this one. So in this table, we have the name column, we have the email column, we also have the phone number column, and the salary. What we want here is when we type the name here, the email address of the name here should appear here. So what we can do here, we come in this row here, row 8, in this cell where we have email. This is where we want to enter our formula. So what we do here is we just press equal sign, then we type our VLOOKUP. Yes, double click on this. Then this VLOOKUP here, when you type this here, it's going to show you how the arguments that this function is expecting from us. Number one, it's expecting us to enter the value, and in this case, the lookup value is going to be the value that we type in this cell. So we select that. Then we put the comma there, like that. When you put the comma there, the next argument is going to be the table array. And in this case, we're going to use this table array. It's a range, the table range. That's what they want here. Then we also put a comma at the end of this range. The next argument here is the column index. It should be a number. So in Excel, and in VLOOKUP, what they want here is, what do we want to get from this table? Do we want to get the email? What is the position? What is the number of this email in this table? So in Excel, in VLOOKUP specifically, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we want to get the value of 2 here. We want to get the email, right, for this person here. So we're going to type in 2 here, index 2. So we just type the number there, 2, comma. Then the next and final argument here, they want us to type in a true or a false value. And this is actually simply saying when you type in the true value there, it's just going to look for approximate matches. If that's what you want, you select this one. If you want to have the exact match, you want this value here. So you just double click to insert that false value there. Then this is what we're looking for, so we press enter. So here it's giving us nothing. It's giving us this error because in here we have nothing. Let's say we type in George in here, Georg, then we press enter. We should be able to get the email address for this name here. Then we also do the same for this phone number. So what we will do here is equal sign, the VLOOKUP function. We just type this there, then we double click, it still gives us this. Now because you know the drill, the VLOOKUP value here, it's still going to be the same name there. Then we put the comma. Then what else do we want? The second argument here is the table array. This is the table array. Okay. Okay, the table array, it's that one, comma. Then they want the index of data that we want to get from this table. What is the index? So we have, this is index 1, 2, 3, and 4 in this table. So when I scroll to the left here, you should see that we have other things here that we're not dealing with. So VLOOKUP knows that the range that you select, the first column, that's 1. In this range that we select here, the first column, that's index 1. This is index 2, 3, and 4. So it knows when I say I want to get the phone number, in this case, I should just type in 3 in this formula here. It will know that I want to get the phone number. Then comma, do we want the exact match? Yes. If you want the approximate match, you just put in this here. I'll double click, then I'll press enter. We should be able to get the number for George. George, the phone number is the one that ends with 75. Let's get the salary for George. So we continue with the same VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. Just type this there, then we'll get the actual function pop up there. We double click on it to insert it in this cell. Then what we want to get here is we want to get the in here we want to get the first value here, the VLOOKUP. We know the name. VLOOKUP value is going to be the name of the person we want to get the salary for. Then the range of the table where we're going to be getting this data from, comma, the index for the salary, it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here we just type in the 4. Then comma, do we want the approximate match or we want the exact? We want the exact. So we just do that. Then we press enter. And here we should be able to get this salary for George. And this is working just fine. So if we were to come here and change the value for this and say John, for example, it should be able to give us the value for John, the email address, the phone number, and the salary. This is helpful. Just enter the name of the person you want to get the records for, and the VLOOKUP function is going to find the data for you easily, just like that. So we can come here and type maybe Catherine. Catherine. Let's type Catherine here. We'll be able to get the value for, we'll get the details and records for Catherine. We have the email, phone number, and just like that. Let's say you get the value for Mary. Mary here, we'll just select equal sign and select this cell, press enter. We'll be able to find this. Now, I'm using the formula here to select the cells, but if it were you, would just type the name of this here, Catherine. For example, Mary here, you would manually type this here, Mary. When you type Mary there, then the values for Mary are going to be executed here. This is what you want. This could be very helpful in the case you're dealing with a lot of records. So you'd easily find whatever you're looking for by just using the VLOOKUP function to find whatever you're looking for, like this. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like on this video, share it with other people who might want to watch a video like this, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.